Okay, can't remember what I recorded because I was trying to do this and I'm doing it again. Who cares? This is a Kylie Skin watermelon lip oil review. We're gonna get right into it as we always do. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. This is also going to be a giveaway, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Okay, so typical Kylie Skin packaging. I didn't even think about this last time that I got this, but the packaging is a little bit OD for what's in here. And so it's this box, the box, and then we have our 2 watermelon lip oils. And we have this, which I'm doing a review for after this. Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner watermelon lip oil. Now I have the regular lip oil and I did a video on that, so you can go check that out. And after having that for about a year, I actually do like it and I see myself going to use it. I just love how big the applicator is and how soft it is. So like I said, when she came out with the watermelon, I was like, okay, so I guess I need something watermelon flavored, scented. And I was looking at other brands and stuff for watermelon. I didn't end up buying it, but I just wanted to purchase this and do a giveaway on it. So here we are. Same packaging as the other one. This one feels a little smaller than the other one. I'm gonna grab it. No, same size. Yep. Literally the same everything. Watermelon. Watermelon just makes me think of candy. I'm on a lip gloss, shiny lip kick right now. Usually I'm a matte lip kind of girl, but I'm into the shiny lip gloss look these days. So gives you a very subtle pink tint to your lips, very soft, feels super good. But like I said, from the first lip oil, I'm such a fan of lip oil. This is giving the same exact thing that the first one did. It feels great, smells great. Let me see how much this is. This didn't come with an invoice or anything, which I just don't like that for some reason. When packages don't have invoices, it's like they literally threw it in a box. Like, give me a receipt, please. Okay, let's see how much it was. I purchased this on Black Friday, so I didn't pay full price, but what it currently is $22. It's 0.2 ounces. This is what it is. I am a fan of lip oils. I am a fan of this lip oil. I know a bunch of other brands make lip oils. Some, this is made almost exactly like others. I didn't know, and so I was reading comments in the other video, but I do like this and I would suggest it. Now, if you are interested in this, I am giving one of these away. So all you have to do, and this is only to US residents. So like, comment the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being one of my subscribers, and happy holidays to everybody.